Hello friends, welcome to Target UPSC. बहुत सारे students want to prepare for 2024 and I am happy to announce that we are launching our flagship course, that is UMANG Comprehensive Batch for 2024. So in this program, we look into general studies aspect तीनों dimensions से, that is prelims, mains and interview. Before going into the details of the program, I would like to tell you our program focuses not just on content but also focuses on ensuring consistency. तो हम दोनों aspects पर काम करते हैं. So on the content aspect, our course is divided into 4 phases. In first phase, we ensure that we focus on the foundation part. So in this phase, we'll be covering basic subjects such as polity, history, geography, environment, science and technology, art and culture, ancient history, economy, ये सारे subjects हम cover करेंगे. So how we are going to cover these subjects in 4 to 5 months? So what we do is we have divided the syllabus in the targeted format. So every week from Monday to Friday, daily you would have targets in the form of videos and notes to be completed, and on Saturday you would have a current affairs session and along with the revision session of the first 5 days of content, and on every Sunday we'll be having a test on the content what we have taught in the previous week. So in this way what we have done is बहुत strategically we have divided the syllabus so that we ensure that we give you targets, we ensure that you revise, we ensure that you give test every Sunday. So along with this, on every Sunday our team calls you to monitor your performance and they push you to complete those targets. Secondly, if you have any doubt during your preparation, we have a dedicated mentor to every student who would be there 24/7 to clear the doubt. Second is, what is our strategy with respect to content in this lecture? I would like to tell you we have covered more than 5 sources, we have covered standard books, we have covered NCERTs. So you need not read anything apart from these videos and notes. ये बहुत important है. बहुत सारे students क्या करते हैं? They study in a haphazard manner, they read multiple books but they are not able to combine. What we have done through our lecture is we have streamlined everything, we have filtered the content from multiple sources including NCERT, so you do not have to read anything. So after this foundation phase of close to 4 months, what we have is 1 month of complete revision where we focus on revising every aspect what we have read in the past 4 months. Along with that, we also ensure that you write test, comprehensive test, MCQ based test during that 1 month. After this, we move to our second phase, that is mains preparation. In mains preparation, we focus on 3 aspects. First is building content, second is answer writing structuring, and third is test. In content part, what we focus is we just do not spoon feed the content, we make you think in the class, we teach every topic, we ensure that you make your own handwritten notes. After that, what we have is we have sessions by UPSC toppers where they'll teach you how to structure the answer, how to decipher the demand of the question, how to inculcate diagrams and data in the answers. And on the third part, we focus on the test series where we give you daily questions to practice, and then every 15 days we take a test which is personally evaluated and you get a personalized feedback along with it. तो ये comprehensive approach है. तो हमारा focus सिर्फ content पर नहीं है, but our focus is also on answer writing structuring and ensuring that you write test. Writing test is compulsory in this institute. If you are serious about this preparation, then only join the UMANG batch. After this, what we have is a phase of prelims preparation where we'll move on to revising the foundation aspect, writing test, covering current affairs and moving on to the CSAT. तो ये 4 चीजें हम third phase में करेंगे till your prelims examination. In between prelims and mains, our focus would be on revising the notes what we have made. Secondly, we'll be having current affairs session and we'll be having answer writing sessions in the form of daily answer writing and test between prelims and mains. So as I told you, our preparation focuses on 2 parts, that is content part which includes 4 phases, ensuring consistency and accountability. If you want to clear examination, consistency is the most important thing. To ensure consistency and accountability in your preparation, we have tracking sheets, we have monitoring calls, mentorship calls, we have regular compulsory tests, Zoom live tests, so that you continue your preparation without any hurdles. तो ये एक comprehensive approach है. Hope you get an idea about the UMANG batch. It's the most comprehensive approach for UPSC 2024. If you want detailed timetable and schedule of UMANG batch, you can go and check the description box. Secondly, we are taking only 100 students in the first batch. So if you are serious about your UPSC attempt 2024, then UMANG is the only solution, where our focus is both on content and ensuring accountability. You can check the reviews of our videos, you can check the qualities of our videos on YouTube, and you will realize how we have guided thousands of students towards their UPSC journey. If you have any doubt with respect to UPSC preparation, you can directly talk to me on the number given below. We'll sit together and draw a specific plan according to your need. Hope to see you in the batch. Thank you.